Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic tail lights step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery and opening the trunk to access the tail light assembly. I'll walk you through tools, removing screws, unplugging connectors, swapping bulbs or housings, sealing gaskets, and testing lights. Follow safety tips and simple checks so you finish with working tail lights and confidence. I'll also share quick troubleshooting tips and parts sources. Locate the tail light assembly fasteners inside the trunk and remove any trunk liner panels to expose them. Unscrew bolts, gently pry clips, and support the assembly as you pull it free. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove the bulb sockets by twisting counterclockwise. Inspect the gasket and connector for corrosion before installing the replacement assembly, and keep screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Work on a soft surface to protect paint. Position the new tail light assembly into the body opening, aligning tabs and guide pins carefully. Reinsert and tighten bolts to manufacturer specified snugness and avoid over-torque. Reconnect electrical plugs and install bulbs or LED modules, then replace the trunk liner. Test brake, turn, and reverse lights from outside and have a helper press pedals if needed. Reseal any gaskets and check for gaps to prevent moisture ingress and condensation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.